Hello, here's Rando York. I'll show you my latest acquisition from eBay. It's a LIMA N211 shunter from the British Railways. Already in inspection I see that the pickups are not in the correct position and therefore probably the loco is not running, as I prove here with a bit of DC current. Right, let's take the loco apart. In order to remove the shell from the chassis, one doesn't need a screwdriver. Then we see here the body weights are in quite a good condition. They're not brittle, they're just a bit bent. Next I give the wheels a little spin to see where they rotate and just test the motor. Evidently the loco needs a good clean, but the motor is working, so that's quite a satisfying result. Next I remove the motor from the chassis in order to be able to address the pickups, which are just bent all over the place. I just bend the pickups gently without breaking the copper plate and put them back into position. One can appreciate that the motor is really dirty, so are the wheels, but I'm not addressing this right now because just for the sake of this short video, I just want to show that often little problems are responsible for a locomotive not running anymore. I quickly reassembled the entire locomotive, put the shell back onto the chassis and go. Often after reassembling, the wheels need a little manual spin, and then I can apply the electricity, and as you can tell now the loco is working with electricity applied to the wheels. You can tell that the motor is still a bit sticky and needs to run in and definitely needs a proper clean. Nevertheless, the only thing which needed addressing were the pickups. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.